everyone, the module Merge Purchase Order Attachment helps user to merge multiple attachment in a single PDF format. Let's check how that works. First we go into purchases. Over here into configuration settings, you will find one field which is Merge Purchase Order Attachments. Enable it and select in which PDF you want to merge all the attachment. Here I have added purchase order. You can add request for quotation as well. Let's save it out and check. Once you save the changes, let's go into purchase order. Here in this purchase order, as you can see, there is one vendor bill. So if user want the purchase order and the vendor bill to be attached in a single PDF and send, they can simply use this module. Over here, there are three attachments given. User can simply add the multiple attachment in this particular field, which is merge attachment to reports. Let's select which attachment you want to merge. I want to merge this bill as well as this invoice. Now if user want to add an other format which is not a PDF file, it will generate an user error. Please select only PDF file. So as this module helps to attach multiple attachment which is only in a PDF format and it provides the PDF. I have selected two attachment over here. Let's save it out and try to print. As you can see, it generated a PDF with all the attachment which we have attached into this. This is how this module helps to merge multiple attachment in a single PDF format. If you have any query, please leave your query in a comment section below. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.